little quick tutorial on these Buckingham Quick Connects. When you put them on, grab them, just shove it in. So if you lean forward just a little bit, it actually creates a little bit more of a gap. So it gives you a little spot, put your fingers in there, and you can get them right on. You don't have to have them super tight. All they're doing is holding that to your foot. I mean, it ain't going anywhere. And there, just lean forward that little bit, and it gives you that little gap. Get them fingers in there. You can guide it in there just a little bit better. They're snug. They're not going anywhere. People have problems with them because they put them down too tight. And I'll show you why you don't need them that tight here in a minute. The number one complaint about the Quick Connects is that they dig into the top of people's feet. That's because they got them pulled too tight. You don't have to have them that tight. You can stick a couple fingers in there and they'll be loose and they'll be just fine. You can get them on quick and easy. Some people want to know what kind of boots I climb in. Right here, they don't have any shank. That's what I speed climb in. That's what I work in every day. Today I'm gonna do a quick little demo. Got me some Hey Dude Crocs, same thing. Little tool up. One reason why I wear those other boots to tool up is because they have a heel. Makes it easier to find that hook. Makes it a little quicker. I'll go up, do a transfer, come back down. So I don't have them very tight. They're not going to go anywhere. New belt by Buckingham, new fall restraint. The part number will be in the comments. It's really nice. Get around the pole quick and easy. Adjust on that side, boom, you're ready to go. And adjust, back on and off. Automatically falls into that slot when you're ready to go. Makes getting on and off the pole really fast. So if I'm adjusted here, ready to climb, all I gotta do is lean in, get off of it. Stand here for speed climb. Bam, ready to go. Keep tight, she's ready. Back off.